This is a driving video around town, slower speeds, so we'll go through some of the gears and show you how she drives kind of on a daily, regular putting around basis. So she's warmed up, everything's good, temperature, still above the reserve on the gas. Got the fan on low, a little bit of heat going, and we will get going. So very smooth. There's first. You could do it with 2 fingers if you wanted to. It's really just that. Good, solid. We had all the bushings, linkage pieces replaced a couple of years back, so everything is really good. So clutch uptake is really good. We'll get going. Got the ENSA exhaust there, so that makes a nice burble. Gives it a little bit of sound out of what's normally a pretty quiet exhaust on this car. It's otherwise factory. We'll get out onto the road here and get some speed up, go through the gears. Sorry, the sun's out all of a sudden, and unfortunately we're driving into it, so hopefully you can still see the tach gauges. And we're in 4th gear. Not sure if we can get fast enough to get it up to 5th here. So we've got a red light coming up, and I'm going to lay on the brakes just to show you everything is fresh and good. Hard on the brakes there, no budge in the wheel at all. To the side here. Turn around here, get a U-turn in, show you how good the steering is. Of course, these things have fantastic turning radius. And then we'll be out of the sun. Sounds great, very healthy, pulls hard. These motors are so underrated. Everybody just always looks at the power figures, not necessarily the smoothness or how fast they tack up. It's 5th gear. Here. We'll go hard again on the brakes because we got some slow cars up, and as you see, nothing, no shimmying in the wheel. Back to 3rd. Sorry, back into the sun again. red light here, so we're going to slow down. and no juddering in the brakes, no shaking in the wheel. Everything is absolutely smooth. The temperature's great.